Hello everyone, my name is Edward Adamson and this is my screencast on the Dollhouse Act 1 and 2. Now, when I first started to read it, I was like, man, I don't think this is going to be exciting. But after I started reading it, um, I'm excited to just read Act 3 to see where this goes. But let me get started. Um, Nora, when I first started reading it, I was like, man, it seemed like to me, I'm gonna be honest. I think I finna say she a gold digger. I was like, man, it just seems like she only care about money. Like, oh my god, like she just was going on about buying this and getting that. And then when she went to her husband, Helmer, um, and then they were discussing about money, and he was, Helmer to me sound of more relaxed and more about saving money. He was like, well, hey, don't be going and spend all this money because he don't get his new job promotion until the beginning of the year. But she was like, well, it's okay. We'll be okay. We have to go borrow money. Like borrow money? Why borrow money? You got money. But so for me to find out the reason why, she wanted extra money, I kind of felt bad. Cause I was like, wow, for me to find out she's not really a gold digger, but she was borrowing the money, but she was trying to pay back the money to the person who she got it from. Well, because her husband got sick. But to find out, all the events that came along about. But Mrs. Lynn, when she came into their life, I mean, for her, to me, it sounded like she was a good friend. She very caring. For her even to go and chase down Krogstad, Krogstad, I hope I said that, Krogstad, chased down him about him putting the letter in the box. I know I'm kind of all over the place, but um, she seemed like a good person and like she's very caring. Dr. Rank, I I truly think that after he confessed his love and so that he told Nora that he loved her or whatever. Um, I kind of felt like for it was kind of funny when Miss Linda, she thought that Nora had wasn't having I guess not an affair, but I guess she kind of you say kind of had an affair with Dr. Rank, but she was like, no, Dr. Rank ain't the one that that I got the money from, but Crowsley, I don't like him. I don't know. I just feel like if you do something for someone, and then don't get me wrong, I know Nora forged her father's name on the document, but yeah, still, like you did something yourself that prevents you to lose your job. Now you trying to come back and blackmail someone because hey, you find out well, hey, I'm about to lose my job, and her husband about to become the bank manager. Let me blackmail her for so you could get the job. I get it was keep your job, but hopefully um like I said, in X3, maybe he might not tell on her. Maybe the letter don't say what all what went down. But I'm very excited to see how Act 3 turned out.